It is now 4 p.m. Beijing time on May 1st. Yesterday, we suggested in the video to buy lightly below 1.10972 in EURUSD. After sending it out, the market did not pull back. It rose from 1.1026 to 1.1094, with a cumulative increase of 68 points. And then there is gold. Yesterday's video suggested buying gold lightly below 1998. After it was issued, the lowest price was 2007.8, which did not reach the pending point and saw to 2079.7 in advance, refreshing the highest level of gold ever, with a cumulative increase of 719 points. Although the direction is correct, it is not included in the transaction order statistics chart because it has not reached the entry point. The two signals given on the video are in the correct direction, but did not reach the entry point, so at 11 o'clock last night, Lauda issued a prompt in the trader group, suggesting that the aggressive one can be short EURUSD at 1.1089 to 1.1155, put the stop loss at 1.1164. The highest price after the issue is 1.1094. Some short orders go to the entry point, and the lowest drops to 1.1042 after entering the market. Those who operate this order in the group can earn up to $407 to $520 per lot. We make videos every day to issue intraday signals for reference. In addition, Lauda's team's main account has been using EA programs to do quantitative trading of EURUSD and GBPUSD, superimposing intraday signals, and making stable profits of 8 to 13% every month. Those who follow us can join the real-time guidance group to get daily precise point signals, or you can choose to join the account management business and bind our master account to copy transactions. No limit to the platforms or brokers. The observation password of the main account will be provided throughout the cooperation, and the effect of the account transaction can be seen within 2 weeks. How to operate today? Let's look at EURUSD first. Two risk events in the early morning. 1. The Federal Reserve has announced a 25 BP rate hike and then refuted the rate cut expectations at a press conference. But it also implies that restrictive interest rates are not far away, and the probability of keeping interest rates unchanged in June is around 95%. The second is that the share price of Westpac United Bank plummeted after hours, and the banking crisis is expanding. The short-term rise in EURUSD stems from the growing expectation that the Fed will end in tightening, but the tightening cycle in the Eurozone continues. The narrowing interest rate gap between the euro and the US dollar has brought some support to the euro. It is recommended to go back to light positions below 1.1013 in the day. EURUSD is recommended 1.1013 to 1.1950 to go long. Put stop loss at 1.0938. However, the risk of gold is constantly rising, so it has been in a wait-and-see state for more than 2 weeks. At present, many safe haven funds are supporting the price of gold. After hitting a new high today, it triggered a closing and giving up a certain amount of gains. The direction is still bullish, and the pressure below 2010 to 2000 has turned into support. The support of this range can be observed within the day, and you can do long positions below 2013. It is recommended to do more gold in 2013 to 2002, with a stop loss of 2000. Also, tonight at 8:50, the ECB decision, 8:45 ECB press conference, and the US non-agriculture data at 8:30 tomorrow night. Pay attention to high-risk markets, reduce the number of lots, and set a stop loss before operating. In addition to Europe and gold, 2 to 3 products will be selected from the 5 targets of GBP, AUD, GPY, silver, and crude oil. Including their supports, resistance, and directions will be given for reference. The upper part is yesterday's signals review chart, and the lower part is today's point of view sharing, but is only recommended for traders who have a certain short-term trading basis. The target point is not placed on the video. Lauda will also watch the market trend and notify more accurate selling tips in the group. Scan the QR code on the top of the screen for cooperation consultation and contact me. Finally, I will give you a famous quote from Benjamin Franklin.